In our first video, we learned about how we can interface an LED with Arduino board using Tinkercad. In this video, we learn how we can interface servo motor with Arduino board. The servo motor is a digital motor which works on logic 0 and 1. 0 is the low logic and 1 is the high logic. We are using a servo motor which can rotate only 1 to 180 degree. This is a special kind of motor using Tinkercad. So we are going to open Tinkercad. Here, go to the circuits, create new circuit. Put here. Okay. Search servo motor here. Your component will rotate like this. Okay. Now connect your ground. This servo motor has three pins. First is the ground, second is the VCC, and third is the signal. Connect the ground with the ground pin. Most of the time we are using ground, represent ground by black color, and connect this with the ground of the breadboard, black. Now use connect VCC with the 5 volt supply of the Arduino board because we have connected power supply through it. Color this as red because we are using bright color for power supply, and connect the signal with the any pin of the or any digital pin of the Arduino board. So we are connecting this with 9 number pin. Okay, this is all about the connection of servo motor with Arduino board. Now we are using block codes for programming. So what is the concept? Initially we have to declare a variable and show what is the position of servo motor, which is initially 0. So declaring a variable and assigning a position. Then we required a counter so that we can increment this position from 0 to 179. Okay, first time we have to rotate this motor in clockwise direction, and secondly we have to rotate from anti-clockwise direction from 179 position to 0 position. So we are using block code for that. So now we are using a block code to program, remove the unnecessary blocks here. Okay, so first of all we have to declare a variable, name them as position, and first set position to 0. Next we require a counter. First of all, this counter is used for up counting by 1 for position from position 1 to 179. Then we require a wait signal. So then we require a output port. From where we connected this. Okay, so servo motor. So servo motor rotate servo pin, which is the 9, as you can see here we have connected with the 9 number pin to 0 degree. So here this can vary, so this is variable, so we use here a variable position because it can be any value from 0 to 179. So this is for forward, we have to, okay, we are using here bits of 20 millisecond. You can change your delays here and see what will be the output. This is for forward direction, rotating the motor in fast forward direction. Again we have to reverse from 179 to 0 degree. So here we are using count up by 1 for position from 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 179 to 0, 179 to 1. Again we have to declare here output that we are using a servo motor pin number 9 to a position 0 degree. Now we have to check our program whether it is running or not. You can see that your motor is rotating in forward direction and in reverse direction. Now switch from block codes to the text codes. You can see here first we have included the servo.h header file, then we have seen the position as an integer which is 0. Here we use two another integers I and j, one for the forward loop and another for the reverse, and the servo pin number 9, and in both side here a control mechanism, and both side we again declare the output where the servo motor is attached with the 9 number of pin, and in the while loop actual codes are running. Initially position of the motor is 0 and we are using either for loop. In for loop initialization is done, which is here, and then condition is here and increment is done here. Again we have shown here that the pin is connected to the 9 number servo motor pin is connected to 9 number positions, and some delay which were already included in the block codes 20 millisecond, and here is the loop for the reverse direction from 179 to 1th position, and here it is declared that it is a decrement. Okay, this is all about the code.